Picture this. You're standing at the edge of the world, surrounded by breathtaking landscapes and untamed beauty. But instead of following the crowds to the usual tourist hotspots, you're about to embark on a quest to unearth hidden treasures that only the intrepid traveler dares to seek. From secluded beaches to ancient ruins shrouded in mystery, these secret spots promise a glimpse into a world few have ever seen. Exploring hidden gems. 1. The Blue Grotto, Malta. Tucked away beneath the towering cliffs of Malta lies a hidden oasis of azure waters and shimmering caves. The Blue Grotto is a natural wonder that must be seen to be believed, where sunlight dances on the water's surface, illuminating the underwater world below. Whether you're diving into the depths or simply admiring from the boat above, this secret spot is sure to leave you breathless. 2. Svalbard, Norway. Far beyond the Arctic Circle lies a land of ice and fire, where polar bears roam and the northern lights dance across the sky. Svalbard is a remote archipelago that few have had the privilege to explore, yet its rugged beauty and untamed wilderness are unparalleled. From glacier hiking to dog sledding, this hidden gem offers an adventure like no other. 3. Tegalalang Rice Terrace, Bali. Nestled in the heart of Bali's lush countryside lies a landscape straight out of a postcard, the Tegalalang Rice Terrace. Carved into the hillsides by generations of Balinese farmers, these cascading rice paddies are a sight to behold, especially during the golden hours of sunrise and sunset. Take a stroll through the emerald green fields or sip on fresh coconut water as you soak in the serenity of this hidden paradise. 4. The Wave, Arizona. Hidden deep within the deserts of Arizona lies a geological masterpiece known as the Wave. This surreal sandstone formation is a testament to the power of nature, with its swirling patterns and vibrant hues creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Due to its fragile ecosystem, access to the Wave is limited, making it a true hidden gem for those lucky enough to secure a permit. 5. Fairy Pools, Isle of Skye. Venture to the rugged landscapes of Scotland's Isle of Skye, and you'll discover a magical realm known as the Fairy Pools. Tucked away at the foot of the Black Quillan Mountains, these crystal-clear pools offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. With waterfalls cascading into turquoise pools against a backdrop of majestic mountains, it's no wonder this hidden gem is a favorite among nature lovers and photographers alike. 6. The Lost City of Petra, Jordan. Journey into the heart of the desert in Jordan, and you'll stumble upon one of the world's most iconic archaeological sites, the Lost City of Petra. Carved into the rose-red cliffs by the Nabateans over 2,000 years ago, this ancient city is a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship. Wander through the narrow cycle, marvel at the towering treasury, and uncover the secrets of this hidden wonder tucked away in the Jordanian desert. 7. Socotra, Yemen. Off the beaten path and far from the tourist crowds lies the enchanting island of Socotra, Yemen. This remote paradise is home to some of the world's most unique flora and fauna, including the iconic dragon's blood trees and vibrant coral reefs. With its otherworldly landscapes and untouched beauty, Socotra is a hidden gem waiting to be explored by intrepid travelers seeking adventure and discovery. 8. The cenotes of the Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico. Delve into the mystical underworld of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, and you'll find a network of underground rivers and caves known as cenotes. These natural sinkholes are not only a source of fresh water for the local Mayan communities, but also a playground for adventurous souls. Dive into crystal-clear waters, swim beneath stalactites, and immerse yourself in the ancient beauty of these hidden gems. If you're loving this adventure as much as we are, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more epic travel content. Oh, and here's a special treat for our early birds. The first 20 viewers will get our exclusive ebook, Best Cities to Visit, for just €9.99. Packed with insider tips and breathtaking photos, this ebook is your ticket to unlocking the world's best kept secrets. Don't miss out. Grab your copy now.